Yeah, this is a good point. I think the how viruses work is that there's going to be a reservoir. So in a coronavirus's case, it's going to do well in an environment that's cold, that doesn't have a lot of sunlight, where you have organisms that are close together that are touching, that kind of thing. And this is why bats are so good, because bat caves are a good environment for that. And coronaviruses have been known to spread from host to host all the time. If you think about it, you, as a virus, you actually need to accrue these genetic mutations at a pretty rapid rate, because you need to find a new host, right? If you're in an environment and you need to live in order to find a new host, it actually behooves you to kind of accrue these genetic mutations. And that's why you see them jumping around all the time. And basically it jumps to an intermediary. So that intermediary in this case is a raccoon dog. And that raccoon dog will have multiple viral genomes that recombine inside of it due to viral replication. And most of the time, right, that's going to be the dead end for a lot of these strains. But in this case, there's actually enough genetic similarities to a new host. And for this case, for SARS-CoV-2, it's the ACE2 in humans. So it goes from the bat to the intermediary, the raccoon dog, and then to that human. And then that human gives it to other people. And in this case, in SARS-CoV-2's case, there's actually two distinct genetic crossover events at the same time, which is not that crazy if you think about it, because populations evolve, not individuals. So a viral population is actually going to be evolving together. So the fact that two different distinct populations within the Wuhan market both outbroke within 1 week of one another kind of actually makes a lot of sense if you think about it. And basically those viral populations are going to start going off and into humans. And then from there, that's when the pandemic officially starts.